Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Now today we are going to discuss experiment how to measure the thickness using spirometer. So a spirometer is used to measure either very small thickness or flat surfaces. Okay, so this is spirometer as you are observing here. It has two types of scales, the circular part and this straight part. Now this is the downside structure of the spirometer. Now, what are the names of the different parts? These are three fixed length legs of equal length. All legs having the equal length, three legs. The screw is passes from the center of the tripod. Three legs make a tripod and from its center the screw will be there. Now on this screw the circular scale is fixed, which is having these readings 0, 10, 20, 30 up to 90 and again 10, that means total 100 divisions are there. When you rotate this screw, you will observe that it is moving downward and upward side. Okay. Now observe here, it is a main scale. It is regular scale, 0 at the center, 10 millimeter upward side and 10 millimeter downward side. Now how to start the procedure? So for this we require this paper strip to check the screw position. So screw should be touches to the ground. For this we will check this strip. So when this strip is easily passing through this bottom of the screw, that means there is a gap. And we have to ensure that the gap should not be there. So we will turn the screw. Check strip is easily moving, that means there is a gap. So again turn. Now check the strip is not moving, that means no gap is there. Now this is the ideal condition. Okay, means three legs and the screw having on the same surface. So tiny gap is also not suggestible. So we will again tighten it and check one more time. So there is again no gap. Now what is meant by the zero error? So whenever such type of condition observe, now check the scale. On the scale, the circular portion will be exactly touching to the 0 of the pitch scale, that is main scale. And exactly on the straight line, there is a 0. That is, this instrument is free from the zero error. No error in this instrument. Okay, so this is error free instrument. 0 is matching with the 0 of the pitch scale. Both zeros are in the same line. Now when this positive error will be there, see the 0 of pitch scale and circular scale having the 0 which is below. So if you hold this like that, the 0 is below this 0 line, that is negative, and here it is the positive. Okay, 0 is above, so it is negative. So how to calculate pitch and LC least count? So for the pitch, one complete rotation we required. So we started with this one complete rotation. From 0 to 0 we will start with the one complete. See, 0 now it is matching with this middle line, that means fifth line. We start with one rotation. Again 0 came on the circular scale. See, one round completed and 0 came on the circular scale. Now see properly how much distance is travelled, 1 millimeter. That means distance moved is 1 division on the pitch scale, that means 1 millimeter. So that is the pitch. Now how to use the thickness? So for example, we have taken here a coin. So using spirometer we will measure the thickness of this object. Now we will place this coin below this spirometer. Okay. Now this coin is placed below this screw, and slightly we are moving this screw to touch the surface of the coin. So we are starting here to move. So gently turn the screw downward till the screw tip just touches the surface. We need not to use the much force, just a touching is enough. So this is just a touch. Now we will check the gap using the paper strip. So there is no gap. That means it is properly placed. Then check the main scale, that means it is one division only. So VSR, that is in between 1 and 2, that means we have to take 2 millimeter. The line is crossed 1 millimeter, that means we have to take here 2 millimeter. And circular, which is in front of that pitch scale, it is 72. 70 and 2 lines are before that pitch scale. So 72 into LCR will give you reading. So similarly we can calculate here our experiment radius of curvature. Okay, aim and apparatus are given. Here I have given the least count how we can calculate. Then how to measure the spherical surface depth. So this is observation table. In that table we have calculated the length. These length AB, AC and BC are given. Then thickness of the simple glass strip is given here, and we can use to calculate the radius of curvature by length, height h, we can calculate r. So these precautions we have to take during the experiment. And if you understand this, please subscribe, share and like our channel. You will get the theoretical concepts also in our channel. Thank you.